Hey, this is Simon from Nerd Safari, and we are here at the 2020 Carlisle Ford Nationals.
There's a little burnout for you, Carlisle.
So right now we're going to go check out the Blue Show Field, which has European cars, Roush, SVT Cobras, Mach1s, and some young gun Ford owners. If you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe as we have more Ford Nationals content on our channel and on the way. We parked in an area where Mustangs were grouped together by color. Pretty awesome to see seas of black, red, and yellow Stangs. I had never seen so many Mach1 Mustangs in one place before. Everything from well-preserved classics to pristine new edges. And who doesn't love Skeletor? Myah! I learned to off-road rally race in a Sierra RS Cosworth in the UK, so got a real buzz out of seeing a few in Carlisle. Young Guns refers to Ford Focus and Fiesta cars. I grew up driving hatchbacks like this, as I could simply not afford as a teenager to buy, insure, or even fill up a bigger engine car. But if you've seen our real street shootout video, you'll know that these mighty minis are fully capable of hanging with the big dogs. I was blown away by the fact that, although many of these cars looked almost brand new, they were already heavily customized with visual and performance mods. I loved this car that featured the owner's wedding photos and this Super Mario themed car. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we will be back soon with more Mustang goodness.
Shut up and sit down.